Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will show you how to add people to your close friends list on Instagram so you can share stories privately with just your besties. First, open your Instagram app and make sure you are logged into the right account. Now tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your Instagram profile. Now tap the three horizontal lines menu at the top right corner. Scroll down and find this option called Close Friends and tap on it. You will see a list of people you follow. Simply check the circle next to the names of the friends you want on your close friends list. Once done, tap done at the bottom. Now let me just post a story. Let me go with this one. And when you post a story, just tap the green Close Friends star icon. And only those added people will see it. And that's it. You have now added people to your Instagram close friends list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what tutorial you want next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.